Okay, let's solve this simple question. They said find the value of cos theta minus alpha if this is given and this is given. As simple as that. We know that sine squared theta plus cos squared theta is equal to 1. Okay, which means that to find cos squared theta is going to be what? 1 minus sine squared theta. Okay, so therefore cos theta itself will now be the square root plus or minus 1 minus what? Sine squared theta. Okay, so which is what? Plus or minus the square root of 1 minus, they've given me sine theta to be what? 3/5 all squared. So if you do that, you are going to have plus or minus the square root of 1 minus 9/25. So which will give me plus or minus the square root of what? 25 minus 9, which will give me 16/25, which is what? Plus or minus 4/5. But if you look at it, they say that what? Theta is acute. If theta is acute, therefore cos theta will give me positive. Since theta is acute means less than 90. And in cast, CAST, everybody here is positive. So therefore cos theta is going to be what? Plus 4/9. I've got to my cos theta. Let's use the same thing for sine theta. So I have that sine theta will now be equal to what? The square root plus or minus 1 minus cos square theta, which is what? Plus or so I'm going to use file here because they gave me file. Okay, so if you look at this is the square root of 1 minus cos file they gave me is what? 4/5 all squared. So this is what? Plus or minus the square root of 1 minus 16/25. So if you do that, you're going to have plus or minus the square root of what? 9/25, which is what? 3/5 plus or minus 3/5. But they say that file is obtuse. Obtuse means greater than 90 but less than 1/8, and in obtuse, that is second quadrant, sine is equally positive. So therefore sine theta is equal to what? Positive 3/5, which is 3/5. Okay, so but we have gotten everything we need. Now coming to what they say we should find, we know that cos theta minus phi is same as saying cos theta cos phi plus sine theta sine phi. So let us put everything. Cos theta they gave me cos theta we found it as what? 4/5 times cos phi they gave me at the same 4/5 plus the other one is what? 3/5 times another 3/5. Now if you look at this, you are going to have 16/25 plus 9/25. If you do that, you are going to have 25/25, which is what? 1. As simple as that. So the answer is 1. Please subscribe.